In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Cash App card on DHgate. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using your Cash App card for any orders that you place through DHgate is extremely simple. All that you have to do is visit their website, either on a computer as I'm doing in this video, or through any mobile device, and when you arrive on the main page of their website, make sure that you are properly signed into an account. You will need to have an account set up where you can use the Cash App card to place your order. So all that you have to do once you are properly signed in is browse through all of the items and find whatever it is that you want to buy on the DHgate and pay using Cash App. So browse through all of the items and add anything to your cart. As you can see, the items are all going to appear over here on the right side of the screen, and you can add as many as you want. All of them you will be able to manage and pay using your Cash App card. Once you have everything ready, click on Checkout and you are going to be redirected to this page where you can review everything, input a shipping address at the top, and on the second option will be the payment method. As you can see, all that you have to do is click Pay with a new card. This is where you can input the details about your Cash App card. As long as you have the necessary amount of balance on your Cash App account and you include the details about your Cash App card here, you are going to be able to place this order. Alternatively, you can also try linking your Cash App card to a digital wallet, for example, the Apple Wallet or the Google Wallet, and pay using Apple Pay on Google Pay if it is available as a payment option. But this method is going to work for mobile and PC, and I highly recommend that you do this one by simply including the details about the card here. It is by far the quickest way to do it, and you are going to be able to review and confirm your order and pay using the Cash App card. Double check your balance, and if it is properly activated with valid credentials, the payment will go through immediately. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Cash App card on DHgate. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.